Module 10, StrongBody's Guide to Building a TikTok Channel, Step by Step. 1. Identify main and sub-niches. Main niche, determine your primary field of focus, such as fitness, yoga, or nutrition. Sub-niches, identify related sub-niches to expand your audience, like wellness, mindfulness, or specific workout styles. 2. Analyze your target audience. Audience insights, identify characteristics like age, gender, interests, location, and income level. Content focus, ensure all your content is tailored to and resonates with this audience. 3. Determine monetization strategy. Business plan, choose a monetization method, whether it's building a brand, retailing products, or offering training programs. Clear and focused plan, your revenue strategy should be detailed, clear, and focused. 4. Optimize channel name for SEO. SEO-friendly name, select a memorable name that reflects your content and is SEO optimized. Branding, example names like Nick Fitness or Kim Yoga Journey. 5. Prepare content before launching. Initial content pool. Prepare 20 to 30 videos before you start posting to maintain consistency. 6. Initial video posting strategy. Regular posting. In the first 2 weeks, post 2 to 5 videos daily to help TikTok identify your audience. 7. Slow down posting after 100 videos, focus on quality, transition to posting 1 to 2 videos daily, prioritizing content quality. 8. Mix short and long videos. Diverse video lengths, use a mix of short, under 2 minutes, and longer videos, 2, 5, 10 minutes, avoid excessive product links. TikTok may limit visibility for videos with too many product links. 9. Balance TikTok with current work. Maintain your job, treat TikTok channel building as a side activity or hobby. Flexible approach, consider this as a learning process, entertainment, or long-term commitment. 10. Allocate time for creativity, planning and editing. Spend time scripting and professionally editing your videos. Additional tips: evaluate and optimize. Use TikTok analytics to assess performance and refine your strategy. Stay up to date with trends, keep abreast of the latest TikTok trends and adapt your content accordingly. From all of us at StrongBody, thank you for taking the time to learn about building a successful TikTok channel. We're excited to see your journey